Porchia Nicole here, and I am back with another awesome video. Today's video will be all about my hair. This hair, my Aruban hair. The hair that I had in Aruba that I have been getting so many questions about because, one, y'all haven't seen me in curly hair in so long, so I guess y'all just didn't know how to take me. I was looking like some kind of Nubian goddess out here, you know. Yes. Twirling. Yes. Anyway, yes, so I'm here to tell y'all the deeds of this hair, okay? And then at the end, I'm gonna also give you a little video of how to keep your curls defined throughout the day so your hair won't get back big. This hair is from Luhair, and I hope I'm saying that right, Luhair. And I did get the curly Brazilian human hair. This is a 360 lace wig. I do not have it connected in the back. I have it sewed down in the back. This is 24 inches. And it is 180% density, and it's in a natural color. I did not dye it black like I normally would. So yeah, this is the normal color, the regular color of how it looks. My cap size is a size small. I have a small head. And do know if you want a size small, you have to wait an extra 10 days to get your wig because they have to customize it. Because I don't know, I guess it comes medium or something, I don't know. So you little small peanut head ass girls, you gotta wait 10 days to get your wig. 10 more days to get your wig. The lace on the wig was really good. It bleached well. Any of that, we didn't have a problem with bleaching. We didn't have a problem with tinning or any of that. It was just really good. It was kind of like pre-plucked. It looked pre-plucked, like it didn't look like a thick headline, so that was really good. So yeah, it just takes to everything really well. And so yes, this is the hair that I rocked in Aruba, and I can say that I love this hair. It was easy maintenance. It was easy to wake up every day and just pull off the bonnet and do my little regimen of putting my curls together, refreshing them, and walking out the door. Like, it was the best thing. I knew I did not want straight hair for anything tropical water or anything, because you didn't have to worry about flat iron, curling, or nothing. It was just like wet and go. Wet and go. It doesn't get tangled in the back or anything. The wig was pretty good. Like, I didn't like that the wig didn't have a drawstring in it. Like, I didn't like that. My wig did not have a drawstring in it, so I couldn't really like tightening, but it doesn't matter because it's sewed down anyway, so it was just sewed down tightened to my head. But I did not have a drawstring in my wig. And I feel like, because I have gotten this done twice, I got it done before. I got it initially installed before I went to Aruba. I was in Aruba for like 5 days, and then when I came back the next day, I got it redone because that heat was so horrible in Aruba that my lace was like coming up and I needed to get it revamped. So then I got it again. I feel like between the time when I took it off that time and then redone it and got it redone, I feel like my wig is thinner or something. I mean, I could be tripping, but I feel like my wig is thinner. Even my stylist said she feel like it was thinner, but I don't know. It just feels like that to me. But besides that, I really, really love this hair. Like, when it dries up, it's going to be like, give me a little bit more volume. And I really like that about the hair. Like, it was really a good wig. Like, I hadn't had curly hair in a while. And I'm glad that when I did go back to the curly hair, that it was that it was a good wig. It's perfect. And I love it so much. I'm going to have to give her a name. Because, you know, I name all my good wigs. Her name is going to be Esmeralda. Okay. Okay, first, guys, I just started out with combing out my hair. So, like, my hair is washed and everything. It's been washed. It has air dried. So, now we're air dried. And then I like to comb it. I like to comb it out. Well, really brush it out. And I really should be brushing from bottom to top. But, y'all, bear with me. When you brush and comb your hair, make sure that you're combing from the bottom to the top. You don't have to let the money come between us. No, they not even capable to feel us. Why don't we just take... The first thing I do in defining my curls and and they stay all day, this is gonna be a plan, okay? This is a foolproof plan where your curls will stay all day. Okay, the first thing I do, and you want to make sure that the hair is drenched with water. If I wasn't on camera right now, I would be at the sink wetting my hair.
Stacks and gold pizza, yeah, yeah. That way you could lean away with all the people, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so once I get it all coated or whatever with the water, now it's all wet, okay? The next thing that I do is this Curl La La. So I was using this at first. Once I would wet it, I was using this, and then I was using mousse to like wet it down, and that still worked. And I'm going to show y'all what that looks like on a section. So I will mousse the top. Like I would mousse it just because I just like how wet mousse get. Mousse. I'm almost running out because I be using this thing like no other. And I only use like either the Afro-G or the Nairobi one because I just know that one has no oils in it. So that's why I like that one. I will take the Auntie Jackie's, and y'all, this smells so good. And it's the Curl La La. Make sure you get the Curl La La because she has a lot of different ones. And normally I would take it and then I would run it through. I will run it through like this, even like this. Make sure it's wet. So like I normally get the Auntie J and I roll it through, run it through like this. That's what I would do. And once it dries, it's gonna be so pretty. But the new thing that I have learned is to use the Softy. Wait, what is this? Softy Super Freeze Gel. And y'all, you can find this in the Dollar Tree. You can find it in Walmart or whatever. The trick is your hair needs to be super wet when you do this. And then if you add this to your curls, like your curls will stay. Like they will stay. It's not gonna make your hair hard or anything. It's not gonna make it flake up, but it will make your curls stay.
Oh my God, looking at my squad, they be acting Gucci, like I'm a rookie. Looking at me like, why do you go hard? Cause goddamn, I'm on a cruise ship. I do whatever that I want. Better understand, cause I don't know where I should start. Level out the score, cause yeah, I'm finna.
And when it dries, it's gonna dry, and it's gonna dry really curly and stuff like that. So you ain't gotta worry about it being hard or white or any of that stuff because we use clear gel. So yeah, I was using this at first, but then my stylist told me about this and it works perfect. So yeah. And yes, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed the way that I keep my hair, my curls defined throughout the day. And yeah, so if you have any questions or anything, leave them down below. I will be sure to answer your questions. Make sure you go check out their website. They have plenty more things to offer. All the information on this hair, the specs, and everything will be in the description bar, in the description box. And as always, thanks for watching. Love you guys.